Good morning, students. Hope you people are doing well. Today, in this class, we'll be discussing about chapter number 4 of geometry, which is based on triangles. Now, let us see the definition of triangle first. A triangle is a geometrical figure consisting of three line segments enclosing a portion of the plane. Triangle is a three-sided polygon. Every triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles. On the basis of sides of a triangle, triangles are of three types: an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, and a scalene triangle. All triangles are convex and bicentric. That portion of the plane enclosed by the triangle is called the triangle interior, while the remain is the exterior. Now, before moving to the next topic, first of all, let us discuss about some of the important terms which are related to the triangles. The very first thing is the sides. The line segments that make a triangle are called its sides. If we people are making out the triangle and naming it as A, B and C, then the three sides of the triangle are AB, BC and CA. Now second term is vertices. The point of intersection of any two sides of a triangle is called a vertex. The vertices of the triangle are sometimes referred to in relation to its side. For example, A is the vertex opposite to the side BC, B is the vertex opposite to the side CA, and C is the vertex opposite to the side AB if we are making out any triangle and naming it as A, B and C. Third term related to the triangle is angles. The angle between any two sides of the triangle is called an angle, or we can say an interior angle. Now there are three angles of the triangle: angle BAC, angle ABC and angle ACB. Exterior angles. If the sides BC of the triangle ABC is produced, then the angle ACD is called the exterior angle. Now let us discuss about some of the symbols which people will be having in the triangles. You can see in the diagram, a square portion is shown in the figure. This square portion is known as, means we can say that it is a right angled triangle. In the second figure, two arrows are being shown on the opposite sides. That means these two sides are parallel to each other, but not parallel with the sides with only one arrow. Third symbol says two lines are being shown on the opposite sides. This says that the sides are equal in length. Same length as each other, but not the same length as the sides with only one dash. Now we'll be discussing about the types of the triangles on the basis of angles. The very first type of triangle is equiangular. As the name suggests, equiangular means equal angles. If all the angles of the triangle are equal, we can say it is an equiangular triangle. Second type of triangle is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means if all the angles are acute. That means if all the angles are less than 90 degree. Right angle triangle means if out of the three angles of the triangle, if one angle is equal to 90 degree, we can say that the triangle is a right angled triangle. Fourth type of triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means if any one of the angle out of the three angles of the triangle is more than 90 but less than 180 degree, we can say that the triangle is obtuse angle. Now, on the basis of the sides of the triangle, triangles can be classified as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the three sides of the triangle are equal. Isosceles triangle means at least two sides of the triangle are equal. Scalene triangle means none of the sides of the triangle are equal. Then, on the basis of the length of the sides, there are three types of triangles: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. And on the basis of the angles, there are three types of triangles: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. Now, triangles, as I have already told you, if they are having all the three sides equal, they are equilateral. If the triangle is having two sides equal, then they are isosceles as shown in figure. And if the triangle is not having any side equal, then they are said to be scalene triangle, as you can see in the figure. Triangles, again, let me explain you that according to the angles, triangles whose all angles are acute, that means less than 90, are called as acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means one angle is obtuse, that is one angle is more than 90 but less than 180. It is said to be obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is equal to 90 degree, then the triangle is said to be right angle. Now we'll be discussing about some of the properties which are related to each other in certain ways. Angles of the triangle are related to each other in certain ways. So we'll be discussing about some of the angle properties of a triangle. Now, the very first property of the triangle is known as angle sum property. First property says the sum of the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle sum property of the triangle is that the sum of all the interior angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. The second property of the triangle says exterior angle, according to the exterior angle property of the triangle, is that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. That means if we are having any exterior angle in the triangle, the sum of that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Third property says an exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle. One more thing we can say, as the sum of the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. If one of the angle is 90 degree, then the other two angles must be acute. Now, based on the triangle's property, let us discuss about some of the solved examples here. The very first example says, if the three angles of a triangle ABC are equal, then we have to find out the measure of each angle. Now, all the angles of the triangle are given equal. So let us assume that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to X. We know that sum of all the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Put the values of A, B and C as x in the given equation. We'll get x plus x plus x is equal to 180. That is 3x is equal to 180. So value of x will be equal to 180 degree divided by 3, that is equal to 60 degree. So the measure of each angle is equal to 60 degree. In example number 2, you can see in the figure all the three angles of the triangle are given, but they are in the terms of x. We have to find out the value of x from the given figure. We know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree by the angle sum property. So put the values of angle P plus Q and plus R in the given equation and make it equal to 180. That is 80 degree plus x plus 10 is equal to 180. Now x plus x will give you 2x. 80 plus 10 will give you 90 and it is equal to 180 degree. So our final equation will be 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. Shift 90 degree on the other side. This will become 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90. Value of x will be equal to 90 degree divided by 2, that is equal to 45 degree. Similarly, in example number 3, it says find the angles of the triangle ABC if angle CAD is equal to 120 degree and the ratio of angle B and angle C is equal to 2:3. So in this question, what we will do, as the ratio between angle B and angle C is given, so we will assume that angle B is equal to 2x and angle C is equal to 3x. As an exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles, so we will write here 120 degree is equal to angle ABC plus angle ACB. That is 120 degree is equal to 2x plus 3x. So x is equal to 120 degree divided by 5, that is 25 degree. Angle B is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 24, 48 degree. Angle C is equal to 3x, that means 3 into 24, that is 72 degree. By these values, we'll be able to get the third angle also. Angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. Now come to example number 4. They are saying here find the values of x plus y plus z from the figure. Clearly from the figure you can say angle ACP plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. Angle QAB plus angle BAC is again 180 degree, that is a straight angle. Angle RBC plus angle ABC is again equal to 180 degree, that means again a straight angle. Now adding out all these equations, we'll be getting angle ACP plus angle QAB plus angle RBC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to 540 degree. X plus Y plus Z plus, put the values again as it is, angle ACB plus angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to 540. X plus Y plus Z, put the values of these three angles as 180 degree by the angle sum property is equal to 540. Shift this 180 degree to the other side. X plus Y plus Z is equal to 540 minus 180 degree. That means it is equal to 360 degree. I hope the concepts are clear and you people have to learn out all the properties before solving out any question based on the triangles. Thank you and have a nice day.